All right, guys, so welcome to day number 5 of our free dropshipping course. Now, in this section, we're going to go over product research and specifically a VIP product research method. Now, a lot of you guys probably have never, ever heard this product research method ever in your life. Nobody on YouTube is talking about it, so you're going to hear it first. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing what you want to do is go to google.com and type in AliExpress. Once you go into AliExpress website, then you'll type in the search bar VIP. That's literally it. Very simple. Next, you want to click on orders so that we can have the most orders in front of us. And so what you're going to notice here is this: by typing in VIP in the search bar, you're going to find VIP product listings that a lot of these top drop shippers are ordering from. So the only way that a lot of these suppliers create these listings is if a supplier or a drop shipper has a lot of orders. So right off the get-go, you're going to find a lot of top products. Okay. Now you can go through these links. You're going to see some products, obviously, that are, very popular in demand, like this one right here. You're going to see some headphones and other things like that, cases, and more headphones. We see a lot of headphones on the first page. So you kind of want to, keep looking through these listings. We see some cool glasses right here. If we keep scrolling, we have this shower head, very interesting product. It has about 8,000 orders, guys. That is a very, very popular product. So let's keep going. Let's keep looking through these. So here's another product right here. This Mop Bucket. It's a VIP link with 5,000, almost 6,000 orders, guys. That is insane. And as you notice, it has 2 reviews because AliExpress customers don't know about this link. Only the guys that search VIP can find this listing. So right off the get-go, this is a very, very popular product. As you can see on the other suppliers over here, it has 9,000 orders right here. And you kind of really want to utilize this, recommendation tool, 5,000 orders. If we scroll all the way down, like I've been showing you guys in the previous 2 videos, you want to see the recommended products as well. And right out the get-go, you see a lot of these mop buckets. So you automatically know that this is a VIP product, guys. So what I can do, guys, is I can go on Amazon to validate if this is actually a winning product. So I can type in mop, simply just type in mop and look for the product. And so I'm going to scroll. I already see the product right here. It has about 4,000 reviews. And also you want to keep scrolling down and go into where you can see the seller ranking. So right off the bat, guys, it's the bestseller ranking right here. You can click on house, mop, and buckets, and is ranked number 12 out of the best sellers. So you already know this is a very, very good product to promote. They're selling it for about $44 on Amazon. You could probably sell it for more. So right off the get-go, you're making about $20 profit if you're selling it at that $40 mark. Very, very easy product research method, guys. Like, I'm literally finding all these top products right here. Here's one right here. It's a yellow VIP, has about 5,000 orders. Let's try to figure out what this product is. So the way to find the exact product for this one, like right out the get-go, you can't really know which is the product. Well, the key here, guys, is simply just scroll down. Okay, once you scroll down to the more to love section, or it'll be recommendations or things like that, what you kind of want to identify is what are the products that you see the most. And right off the get-go, I see 2 of these, 9,000 orders, and then here's another one right here. You're probably going to see more right here. So right off the get-go, I know that this is most likely the product that's being the VIP link. So I can click that. It has about 9,000 orders, which is very, very popular. And this is 100% a winning product. I can validate it even more and scroll down in this and show you guys the Amazon product research tip right here, where you can right click on one of these AliExpress images, search Google for image. Let's do that one more time. Sometimes you just got to do it multiple times so that it can pop up. And so once that happens, you scroll down and you can see that it's on Amazon, and you can click it here. and you find the exact listing. So I can scroll down and go into the hot air brushes, and right off the get-go, it is the #1 selling product on Amazon bestsellers with 100,000 reviews. Holy, this is like the easiest product research method out there, guys, and not a lot of people are talking about it. So you're hearing it here first, guys. I want you guys to literally implement this strategy immediately before everyone watches this video and starts doing the exact same strategy. So you can keep going, guys. You can keep scrolling. As you can see, the ab trainer right here, very popular product. You're gonna see some other similar products like this guitar ones. You see this product, like what the hell is this, guys? This is a freaking sea lion plush toy. Like this is insane. I don't know what the hell it is. It has about 2,000 orders. I can literally go on Amazon and type that product in. You know, let me go back to the homepage, type in sea lion plush toy. I just literally type that in. I like to go for listings that have a lot of reviews. So this one has a lot of reviews. We can literally just, click this one. Let's go see how well it's ranking online. If we scroll down, it is number 8 in the search ranking on the bestsellers. Wow, this is very, very interesting. And you can stumble upon other top products like this big soccer ball, and then you got this little cat here. You got this avocado thing, plush toy right here. So we can keep doing this, guys, and literally find a lot of great products, man. So here's another VIP link that I selected. It has about 1,500 orders. What you want to do, guys, if you scroll down to the seller recommendations or the more to love, just look for products that have a lot of orders, man. Like this one right here has 100,000 orders. My goodness. I think this is a world record on YouTube as far as like in the Shopify community. I've never seen this amount of orders in one go, man. Like that is insane. I have no idea what the hell this product does. I think it protects, I guess it's a wall storage holder. 100,000 orders, man. Like that is insane, guys. Like someone is making so much money with this link. It's insane, man. Like let's do one more, man. This is really fun to really find these products. Let's do this one. This one has about 1,400 orders. Let's scroll down, see what other products that we find. Let's see here. We got 2,000 orders. This looks like it's a custom necklace. We have this one right here, You're My Sunshine flower necklace. So this is probably a product in the jewelry section. I see a lot of jewelry products. So you can go to literally any of these and literally start finding the products that are similar to it. Yeah, most likely it's a jewelry product. I see, this page is literally a jewelry store. So literally just go through these links, guys. It's very, very simple to find these products. Like I said, you heard it here first. If you did enjoy this video, guys, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this video, man. Like let's get this video to 1,000 likes, especially when I'm going to be dropping this free value on the internet for free, guys. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you can get notified for the next video that drops. I hope you guys enjoy your rest of the day. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.